Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Introduction to Operating System Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is, consider the following statement. If count equal to 0, add percentile EAX percentile EBX. So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C. I is non-atomic, second is atomic. Now the second question is, which of the following condition could occur due to lack of synchronization? So these are the option: inconsistency, loss of data, deadlock, all of these. So the answer of our second question is D, all of these. Now the third question is, return value of XCHG instruction is dash. So these are the option: old value, new value, 1 if operation succeeds and 0 if operation fails, none of the above. So the answer of our third question is A, old value. Now the fourth question is, by using Intel hardware XCHG instruction ensures that. So these are the option: the critical section is a deadlock free, solution is starvation free, process enter CS in FIFO order, more than one process enter critical section at same time. Which of the above statement is true? So the answer is A, only. Now the fifth question is, your friend wants to design synchronization primitives and tells you that he would be better off by strictly ensuring that the process alternate the critical section. Your response would be. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A, that might not satisfy the progress requirement. Now the sixth question is, state true false. Bakery algorithm ensures that no process is stopped. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our sixth question is A, true. Now the seventh question is, state true false. Message passing is slow compared to shared memory and more error prone. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our seventh question is A, true. Now the eighth question is, inter-process communication with message passing. The shared memory is in. So these are the option: user space, kernel space, virtual memory. None of these. So the answer of our eighth question is B, kernel space. Now the ninth question is, in a certain application, the initial value of counting semaphores is 10. The following operations were completed on the semaphores in the given order: 5P, 20P, 2P, 18P, 5V, 10P, 1V. The new value of counting semaphore is dash. So the answer of our ninth question is 35. Now the 10th question is, if the value of a counting semaphores S is equal to 4, then the maximum number of requests for the critical section before it blocks is dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, 4. Now the 11th question is, state true false. It is possible to share the messages even without attaching the shared memory with the address space of calling process. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our 11th question is A, true. Now the 12th question is, the variable turn can have values 0 or 1. So this is our code, and the above code does not provide. So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is B, progress. Now the 13th question is, test and set instruction which provides hardware synchronization does not guarantee dash. So these are the option: mutual exclusion, progress, bounded wait, none of these. So the answer of our 13th question is C, bounded wait. Now the 14th question is, Peterson's solution is a synchronization mechanism for maximum of dash processes. So the answer of our 14th question is two processes. Now the 15th question is, atomic operations like test and set ensure that. So these are the option, and the answer of our 15th question is C. They can be executed in a multiple cycles, but no other memory instruction to the same variable is executed while this instruction is executing. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.